there, Adita Lang. And hopefully you've seen my hummus recipe. So now we have what I call hummus pizza. Are you ready for this? I like to use the Siete almond flour tortillas, but you could actually use a regular flour tortilla if you wanted to. So I have fresh hummus here that I made just a little while ago. And we're going to take that onto a tortilla, just like this. This is how quick this snack is. I'm really hungry and I need a snack. So I'm going to spread the hummus onto the tortilla. And from there, I have a pan right here, should be nice and hot, with olive oil on the base of the pan. So we're getting that ready. And I'm going to take another tortilla and basically just sandwich the hummus in the tortilla. And now the goal is to brown this, basically. So we're going to brown the tortilla. And here's the thing, hummus is great because hummus is a complete protein. It's going to keep you feeling satiated longer. And it's got the garlic, which is like, you know, an antibacterial. And I put hemp seeds in there. And the hemp seeds are essential fatty acids, so they feed my brain so I don't forget where I left my keys. Kind of important thing. But anyways, so now we are browning this. And then when we pull him out, which I'm going to use tongs. That's what I'm going to use. We have to give it just a couple of minutes here to brown. But this is a really good, yummy snack. Now, they taste the best when they're fresh, I have to be honest, but I do put them in the refrigerator in an airtight container, and they will last me in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days as just a grab and go snack. They're still pretty good even though they're cold. And if you wanted to heat them up again, I guess you could do that also. Now, here's one more thing. So right now, all we're putting in here is hummus. If you want to get crazy, sun-dried tomatoes, awesome. Slice them up, put them inside there. Put them in and then heat them up. That's a great way of doing it. If you wanted to add a little cheese, you could. I'm not a big fan of cheese because cheese breaks down and digests like a sugar, which just isn't good and it puts weight on our body. So I try to stay away from the cheese, but these are options that you can do here. Now I can hear this guy sizzling, but it's not ready yet. Okay, we're gonna make this one, and that way you can see what this looks like. See, food is a wonderful thing. It nourishes our body. I want you guys to everybody that's listening to this, I want you to realize that your body is a finely tuned engine. So what that means is that the best things that you put into your body are going to produce the best results for your energy, for your mental clarity, for everything, for just your spirit of being. So we want to make sure that we keep our body very strong. Now, I'm using almond flour tortillas, which has protein in it, and of course the garbanzos with the tahini and the hemp seeds, so it's very protein rich. Now protein is really important. That ends up basically helping us repair and restore our body. So if you're sick, you need protein. If you get hurt or injured, you need protein. So these are different times that you need protein. But here's the interesting thing. Our body doesn't necessarily store protein unless we have muscle on our body. That's one of the biggest reasons that weight training is so very important, because you want to have a storage facility so that you always have protein on your body. This guy's, it's almost ready, but not quite. It just needs to brown. It hasn't browned yet. We're waiting. But it'll be nice and yummy. I have it on a medium temperature. I wouldn't put any higher than that. You don't want it to burn. Okay. Well, this guy got a little crunchy, so it's crunchy. And then I take my pizza cutter right here, and I'm going to cut it in 4s. And now you have yourself a very yummy little hummus pizza sandwich. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.